Hello, Hex Kittens! Welcome back to another episode of Knitting's a Drag! I'm Alexis Hex, and today, it's all about you. Alright, so today we're just doing a little bit of a catch-up. I know I've been gone a little while. Day job has been crazy, but you know, your girl got her COVID vaccine, so we is moving in the right direction. So I wanted to catch up with you and show you some of the things that some of you have made and some of you have sent me. So let's get started with that right now. First thing I wanted to do is show you some viewer projects, and I love when people are tagging me on Instagram or emailing me. I love seeing all these, and as you can see, all these projects are gorgeous, and I'm just so happy I could inspire you, and so happy that you find something enjoyable for my channel and that you like to make the projects that I've shown. So I'm really happy that I'm able to showcase these projects right now, and I hope to see more of yours in the future. Alright, this next thing I have to show you guys is phenomenal. So I got this email, and let me tell you, I read it and I screamed. Girl, this shit was everything. And I want to read from that email right now. Alright, here we go. Good afternoon. My name is Lindsay, and I recently learned how to spin and dye my own yarn. For Christmas this year, my very Republican uncle sent me a solid pound of roving, along with a hibiscus petal dye kit. He, of course, wrapped it in Trump wrapping paper. I felt it was only appropriate to use this wool to create yarn for a solidly anti-Trump cause. I plan on spinning one half of it and selling it, donating all proceeds to liberal charities, but I was wondering if you might like the other half once I'm finished spinning it. You're more than welcome to make a video with it, but honestly I just want the satisfaction of one-upping my uncle's political statement. Bitch, let me say, I was gagged. That is how you do this. You take it and you make something positive out of someone trying to be negative. I will say, it looks like you kind of trumped your uncle. And let me show you guys this beautiful yarn. How gorgina is this? Beautiful hand dyed, this beautiful brown. There will be some future projects made out of this. But let me tell you, I just love the positive spin they put on this, and I'm very happy that I could be part of this. And also, I'm going to make sure that I can send them a wonderful screenshot of me and this yarn she can send right to her uncle. I'm sure he'll love to know where it went. I love it. I love trying to make something positive out of a negative, and it will go to good use. Thank you so much, Lindsay. I love this. I love the way you think. Don't ever stop. And wah wah. Alright, that is everything for this week's video. If you like it, don't forget to follow me on all social medias. I will have everything down below. Tweet me, email me, follow me on Facebook, and hopefully I can share one of your future projects on this channel as well. Also, if you'd like to support this channel, don't forget that you can purchase things on my Teespring shop. Do you want a t-shirt? Do you want to know how fabulous you can look? Get a t-shirt. Get yourself a bag. Show everybody your style. You can also send me a tip on Venmo if you want to help keep this channel going, help buy yarn, all that good stuff. And until next time, stay hexy. Bye.